The game the fans have been waiting impatiently for. Now it's almost here, and both teams know they had better be ready as soon as the referee's whistle sounds. A fabulous prospect. Stay with us, we'll have all the action for you from Manchester here on EA TV Live. Well, everyone is happy here at Old Trafford for the time being. I say that because the sun is shining brightly. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as always, is Stuart Robson. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It is Manchester United, and they face Brentford.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always. The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface, and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
The lineup for Manchester United.
Well, it's a back four, a narrow midfield three and a very disconnected front three. But if the midfield players give good support to the central striker, this 4-3-3 system could work really well today.
And here's the starting 11 for Brentford.
Well, it's a fairly standard 4-4-2, which you don't see that often, but it does have its strength, particularly with the front two they've got playing today. They're both good players.
And this confrontation is underway. Josh Da Silva. Not the best challenge, free kick. Well, the footballers have an internal radar. The radar wasn't working that time.
Yeah, I'm assuming he won't be taking the next one.
Damsgaard. Diogo Dalot. That's a good ball. Making sure nothing untoward happened. Superb tackle. It didn't go according to the Manchester United script in the last game. A draw against Chelsea. What do you expect on this occasion, Stuart?
Yes, it was an entertaining game.
Oh, sorry, Stuart, look at this! Really good piece of goalkeeping there. Henry. He might be able to profit from the wide position. And credit is due for that good piece of defending. Jean-Philippe Mateta. Well, a classic example of how to intercept. Taken away, he won the ball. He has teammates around him. Da Silva. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Well, disappointing end to the move. Manchester United recovering possession well. Jean-Philippe Mateta. Takes aim! Well, goal kick, just as it was looking promising. Josip Stanisic. Da Silva. Carvalho. Now can they make something happen? Well, didn't go to plan in the end. Damsgaard. On to Mateta. Smuggled away. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. Have to pay attention defensively. Big chance! Tremendous defending to stonewall him. Decent position. Over the touchline for what will be a Brentford throw. Plenty of support here. Henry. Simple catch, really. And a tidy challenge. Opportunity here. And the keeper there to deal with it. And it wasn't superb distribution by the keeper, that we can say. Now what can they do from here? Superbly read and executed. Jean-Philippe Mateta. And the referee sees it as a good challenge. never quite had the header on the target. The possession lost, intercepted. Well, the thought process is there, but not the execution. Teammates available. Cunha. That's a foul, and it will be a potentially dangerous free kick. And a really single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward happened.
Well, the visitors very much dictating the tempo over the last 15 minutes or so, and have played some really lovely football going forward. They must now make it count.
Oh, the chance is on, Stewart. Couldn't grab hold of it. Fabio Carvalho. Clear foul play, and as a result, a free kick forthcoming. Well, a yellow card it is, and not too many complaints.
No, he can't argue with that. He's been warned.
Not quite the accuracy he was looking for. That'll be a goal kick. Brentford doing well to regain possession. Good idea. And the danger cleared. And the free kick awarded to Manchester United. And a friendly reminder that we have more action from the Premier League coming up. It's Manchester United facing West Ham United.
I like the look of that game. The atmosphere is always good inside that stadium, and two very good teams.
It's one thing to sit deep, it's another thing to sit that little bit too deep. Boubacar Kamara. Oh, that's a super piece of defending. Well, that one has promise. Still passing it around with authority. Well, there is a very alert goalkeeper for you. Damsgaard. And he has options available. What a brilliant pass. Well, that's textbook goalkeeping. Carvalho. Call that an escape. It looked a certain goal. It's got to be a gift for any goalkeeper. Given away by Manchester United. Cunha. And a wretched cross, really, over everyone. And that will do it for the first half here at the Theatre of Dreams. Away they go again. Second half is underway here. Angelino. And passing it well. Well, no way through. Mateus Cunha. Feeding it through. Can he make it count? And keeping it out. Elects to go short. Well, he read that brilliantly at the back. Counter-attacking, very much an option. Mikael Damsgaard. Opportunity here. Well, it wasn't the best piece of finishing, in all honesty. Goal kick.
Yeah, it was all good until that final effort. Just shows you how devastating they can be on the break, though.
And a friendly reminder that we have more action from the Premier League coming up. It's Brentford facing Arsenal.
What a game that was.
Oh, Stewart, they could be in here. It's always likely to be the goalkeeper's ball. De Ligt. Angelino. Manchester United unable to retain possession. Now, who can he play it to? Well, didn't go to plan in the end. Wasteful again in possession. Stanisic. We can give them high marks for their passing, but can they make this pressure count? Oh, disappointing! Just when it looked like a surefire opener.
Well, that should have been the opener, Derek. I'm not sure how he's missed that.
Damsgaard. There to take it away. Fabio Carvalho. Cunha. Opportunity it is. And not an effort that will live long in the memory.
Well, the defenders will be relieved because that was a good chance. From that sort of distance, he should really be hitting the target. It was a really poor attempt in the end.
Well, we're into the final half hour. Useful looking position, you've got to say. But quick thinking defensively. Offside the decision. And time for the change now. Wasteful there from Brentford. To give them the advantage. On his own with only the keeper to beat. But he's missed it, Stewart.
Well, he went for power, but he didn't make the perfect connection. That's why he's missed the target there.
Carvalho. And here's Cunha. Mbeumo. Might work out. And Flashes away. Didn't miss by very much at all. Given away by Manchester United. And this might not be the ideal situation for them. Well, fantastic reflex action. Here's a change for Manchester United. Can someone get on the end of this? Well, that header was never going to be problematic for the goalkeeper. And nicely over the top. Well, a classic example of how to intercept. Evangelos Pavlidis. Nathan Collins. Mbumo. Cunha. Nicely timed tackle. Quite accurate enough, but it was a close thing. And the shot. Well, good technique in terms of how he struck it. And a fine tackle. Pavlidis getting into position to collect it. Now the counter-attack looks on. Well, it fizzled out. Josh Da Silva.
Well, the visitors have had most of the ball in the last 15 minutes, and you just sense it's only a matter of time before they score what would surely be the winner.
Yes, it's going to plan, and they might be able to carve out another chance. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Still level here, but Manchester United making a push near the end. Da Silva. Dangerous looking attack. Making sure nothing untoward happened. Could be threatening. Firing it towards goal. Fine goalkeeping to push that away.
Well, if they get the winner now, these United fans will go absolutely wild. What an atmosphere we have inside Old Trafford.
And passing it through, but not quite what was needed. I really thought they were going to open up the defence. Can he make it count? Oh, tremendous work from the keeper to avert the danger. Oh, tremendous vision. weight on the pass. A matter of keeping his composure. And a goal! At this stage of the game, it might be decisive. And just look at their supporters. Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Oh, he's left his marker for dead. This could finish it! And foiled by the post. Well, it just petered out. And it might be. And huge credit to the goalkeeper. They're not out of this.
And could that save just inspire them? They need to get the ball forward quickly here.
Well, he thought he might have got away with it, but the referee rightly going back and brandishing the yellow card. Well, it's off target. They were watching him like a hawk. Boubacar Kamara. Grimaldo with it. The clock is against Manchester United here, but their dreams remain alive. Oh, a goal! An equaliser in the closing stages!
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
So underway again, following the goal that made things level. Making sure nothing untoward happened. Superb tackle. Mbeumo. And here's Cunha. Oh, nice ball. There to take it away. Manchester United on the front foot in the closing moments. Can they find a winner? And the advantage accrues to the attacking side. Everyone wants to see officials let the play flow in that manner, but now the free kick has to be awarded. And well off target in the end. Good pressure from the defender to put him off. Boubacar Kamara. And the referee brings this contest to an end. It certainly was pulsating. It had us on the edge of our seats. Stuart, your take?
Well, it was excellent entertainment. We saw good quality football played at a high intensity and goals as well. The draw is a fair reflection of how the game was played.
And this confrontation is underway. Jean-Philippe Mateta. Takes aim! Well, goal kick, just as it was looking promising. And never quite had the header on the target. Not quite the accuracy he was looking for. That'll be a goal kick. Feeding it through. Opportunity it is. To give them the advantage. Might work out. And inches away. Didn't miss by very much at all. And this might not... Can someone get on the end of this? Well, that header was never going to be problematic. And he's in. Well, not quite accurate enough, but it was a close thing. And the shot? Well, good technique in terms of how he struck it. And a goal! At this stage of the game, it might be decisive. And just look at their support. Well, it's up. Oh, a goal! An equaliser in the closing stages. And this confrontation is underway.